G'day, it's Colin from Wurth. And what I've got here is the Wurth Rivet Nut Assortments. So let's have a look at what we've got in them. I'll just move this one aside for now and we'll open this first one up. So this is the steel rivet nut assortment. So you get the rivet nut tool and of course you get an assortment of rivet nuts. So there's a 3mm, a 4mm, a 5, a 6 and an 8mm. And you've got all the arbors to suit those different riv nuts. Now for those who don't know, riv nuts are for putting threads into thin pieces of tube or steel plate and things like that so you can screw a bolt in. So that's the first kit, the steel riv nuts. So the second kit I have here is the same as the previous one, except now they're aluminium rivet nuts. So M3, 4, 5, 6 and M8. The last kit I have over here, which I'll just put these ones aside for now. The last kit I have over here is a much bigger kit. So this kit with the ratcheting riv nut tool, it'll do from M3 up to M12 and it'll do both rivet nuts and rivet studs. So let's go and have a look at both tools in action. Remember, when screwing the mandrel in, it's a left-handed thread. So now we've seen the riv nut tools in action. These are a must-have for anybody who's doing any thread work in thin steel panels or tubular steel. Now, of course, they come in the fantastic system cases and everything in here is reorderable. Now, if you have any questions about the riv nut tools, please leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like our page and remember, these 3 kits are ready for work.